How to use the pen and highlighter tools. To use the pen, click the Pens icon, then click on the colour you would like to use from the options. You can also choose the size of the pen marks by clicking the bigger or smaller icons on the left. The dot in the middle of these options shows the current pen size. When you have chosen your pen, click and drag your mouse to make pen marks. When you have finished adding your pen marks, click the Pens icon on the toolbar to close the pen options. To delete pen marks, click the eraser in the pen's highlighter options. Then click and drag your mouse on the area you want to delete marks from. To delete all of the pen marks for the pages you are on, click Delete All on the pen's highlighter options, and then click OK on the message that appears. The highlighter tools work in the same way as the pen tools. Need more help? Click the Help and Support icon at www.oxfordlearnersbookshelf.com or in the app. Or you can send us an email at eltsupport@oup.com.